It's another day in paradise, and we are excavating still today. This is day 2, probably do this again tomorrow. But essentially what we're doing is we're removing some of this dirt up here and building up this area down here. So water runs off pretty steeply this way, and it runs the wrong way. You know, it's such a perfect day out here today, and that's why we're doing that. We want to live here because we want to build a life that we don't have to vacation from, and this is pretty much perfect. So we changed our mind about something. We're gonna put in another RV hookup over there. It's about 70 feet away or so. And to do that, we had thought we were gonna do it later. So we already put the extra plumbing, low voltage and high voltage lines, ready to go down in the ground, but we didn't ever finish it. So I just dug them up. And I dug around it. I knew about where it was, and then I dug the rest by hand. When you're digging any hole like this, well, obviously this is super deep. They don't need to be this deep, because here the frost line is like 6 inches. So it's not. I'm not worried about it freezing. But I dug with the trencher we had before, as deep as it would go, and only went about that deep. But the excavator will dig, I don't know, like 8 feet deep or something ridiculous. So we're gonna bury them a lot deeper, going over that direction. I'm gonna leave this trench open because we have to run a septic line over there too. Here we go.
Do you put it? Uh-oh. Come on. Come on out. Are you testing it the wrong way?
No, I'm almost through.
There should be a ton of water coming out of that.
No water.
Huh. Can you do the other one?
Yep. Wash all 3 of them.
Butterfly driving
Yeah.
the truck. Whoa. Butterfly driving the truck. Whoa. Butterfly, 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 butterfly,
Cut into this hill about 3 feet, I think 34 inches. So I'm just loosening it up, and he's gonna move it over to the barn pad over there. So I didn't get any footage of this because my GoPro decided to die, but this is more of the cabling we dug earlier to put in for that little keypad access to open the gate. And he's just backfilling this hole. You can do it with the excavator, it just takes forever. He did it in just a few minutes with the Bobcat. So thanks for watching part 2 here, and I hope you stick around and watch the rest of these. I think there's probably going to be about 4 more. So we'll try to get these up pretty quickly, and I hope you enjoy watching them.